Hey folks, welcome back to what is that? What is this? Wait, wisdom's no wait. This is Dude Wisdom.
No, wisdom sucks. Wisdom sucks.
Welcome back to Wisdom Sucks, or as we like to call it.
Oh, hey,
Harry Scary Flash Day. Look at that. We're flashing our Harry Scaries.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, that didn't sound right either.
No.
All right.
Well, no. You can speak for yourself.
This is Captain James Nelson from Dude Craft Guitars, and I've got this young gentleman with me. What's your name again?
My name is Mike Mullenberg, otherwise known as Harry Scary Spice of the Spice Pistols.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
I have practiced quite a bit.
Yeah. But let's try doing that with the cameras on. What do you think?
Okay.
All right. Hey, this is the demo, guys. This is what we've been working on for like the last 7 months. So we've got these, since there's 2 of them, I figured we'd have a little jam, the 2 of us.
Yes,
And
sure.
let me see, we tuned them about a half an hour ago when we were setting up the cameras.
Right, so don't expect
really good.
any actual like in-tune sonic quality, but how about if I start with a little bass riff and you play lead? I'll do a little blues thing. How about that? I'll put you on the spot. Here we go.
I like that. As a bass player, I make a good gardener, don't I?
Yeah, you're planting some shit and burying it deep.
But hey, they make a sound, and that's what the proof of concept is. They make a sound. The lights flash. They're sparkly.
I'm going to bust in and I'm going to point out a couple of very unique things about these particular bass guitars. Aside from the fact that they spread love everywhere they go because of the underlying spiritual nature of the shape, they're also designed at a short scale. And with the bridge being pulled all the way up against the tail, they're very compact, they're easy to throw around and do stuff, they're lightweight, they work really well for people with big fat sausage fingers and small hands. You don't have to have Wilt Chamberlain hands to pull off playing bass. You can spread really well and easy with these. And that's a big part of what I wanted to design into this with James. When James and I sat down and we started looking at it. My band Spice Pistols is not just about creating good music that's easy to listen to, but it's also about creating a show. And doing so, you don't want to be weighed down by a 45-pound instrument.
Right.
So we tried to design something light that's easy to handle, that hangs well. It's got a very, very teeny bit of neck dive as a result of where we placed the strap buttons, which of course can always be adjusted. But I mean, I've owned probably close to 100 different bass guitars over the course of my lifetime, and in that period of time, one of the things that's always been an enemy of performance is neck dive. And this instrument, the way it's balanced and laid out, actually works very well. You got plenty of room to reach whatever you want to, anywhere, whether it's in tune or not, and just have a lot of fun with it. My friend James jumped up to the occasion to help design and build these things. Today we're here primarily because he was kind enough that within 3 days of the fire destroying the Harry Scary 1.0, the first instrument that we built together, he called me up and he said, dude, don't worry about the Harry Scary, we'll replace it, and I'm going to build a second one for you to auction off. Now, one of the things that came to mind, through this tragedy, it really restored my faith in humanity, because the number of people that came to the forefront to try to help me in my time of need. And a number of my friends that are quite famous did benefit concert for me. So what I'm going to do moving forward with this auction unit is that we're going to get it signed by a number of celebrity people. I know quite a few that have been willing to help me out through this process, and since the target of it is to help regain some of the losses that I experienced, I'm going to ask them if they'd be willing to sign this instrument. We're going to get a bunch of celebrity signatures with pictures and short clips of them signing, so you have provenance that proves it was actually them and not me and James writing on the instrument. And then we're going to clear coat that stuff so the instrument can be played. You don't have to worry about the signatures going away, and you'll have proof that those people actually signed it. The fire happened on October 5th, 2021, so we're coming up on the anniversary, and the target is to get this instrument prepared to go up on an online auction on the anniversary of that date. So that's what we're up to. If you want to see this instrument being performed live and you're in the Los Angeles area, Spice Pistols is doing a show with our friends GayC at the Maui Sugar Mill this coming Friday, the 26th. The show starts at 9, and it's going to be an amazing night of fun. You want to check out GayC online, GayDC online. And Spice Pistols, give you a little preview. It's going to be a super fun night. You can find, I think tickets are at the door, but you probably want to call the establishment at Maui Sugar Mill and see what's up if you're concerned about tickets being available, because there's been a lot of response to the show. Both bands are extremely visually entertaining, as well as we do play our music well, because we're old and we've been doing it a long time, and we've tolerated all kinds of garbage and been through a lot of shit like houses burning down. So
and you tune your instruments.
Oh, we actually do. Yeah, we do that. We actually tune our instruments. That's a trip. It's funny. Like, the older you get, it kind of becomes automatic, and you forget about the fact that you do that. Yeah. And that's not a knock on anybody else. I mean, jazz, that's called a passing note.
And, can you imagine? I mean, I know you were around when we were kids, and not to get totally off the subject, but remember, we used to have to use forks. Nowadays, we got these clip-on things. We got things we plug into, the pedals. They're so nice.
Now, to be fair, though, wait, like there's actually apps on your phone that provide you with the same sound as the tuning fork. And right. So it's not that we're in any way saying that people don't tune guitars as well as they did in the past.
It's so easy to do it now. I mean, our cameraman Keith there. I mean, he's using an app when he tunes the guitar all the time. Yeah, it's just amazing. It's just like anyway. Yes. I got off topic because it kind of fits in with what you do on the other show. So
thank you. Yes.
So off topic.
I like that. Right there. Yeah. Not hot topic. No uniforms allowed. Yes. Oh well. No, this is respect. I wear my dude crap out of respect for the craftsman.
Well, Mike, it really. I mean, this is as well as I do what it's like when you put something together. I mean, because this guy rebuilds cars too, so what it's like when you get to that last moment and everything put in. I mean, seriously, 10 minutes ago we put the strap buttons in, and if anybody's ever seen me, what I do here on this YouTube channel, what I've done building guitars, all the pictures I post on Instagram, when I put the strap button in, it's ready to put in the case. It's done. Mm-hmm. So that's what we're going to do here today. You're taking these babies home. One of them's going to get played on Friday. The other one's going to get scribbled on.
Yes.
Going to get a bunch of signatures, and that's going to be really awesome.
Yeah.
Because these are obviously stage instruments. These are. Yeah. But I'll tell you what, and I am going to put in a bid, just to play the game. If I should win the bid to get the one with all those things, that thing's going on the wall. I'm making it now. But it's whoever gets it, do what you want with it. But that's going to be really cool, and I can't wait to see what it's going to be. Just to read all the different.
And we will be documenting along the way. I mentioned that we're going to take short video clips. We'll most likely go ahead and post those on Instagram and Facebook as well as we're signing it. As time goes on. So. Look for that to happen around October 10th. There'll be notifications on his channels, my channel, Spike Mike with two P's. There'll also be, there's a YouTube channel called Wisdom Sucks. There's a few videos on there. It's a new little blog thing that I'm doing from time to time without any regularity whatsoever. But, you know, you can check it out. Yeah. And so look for this shit to come. Oops.
That's the greatest close I've ever heard. Let's do it. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars / Wisdom Sucks.
That was awesome.
All right, man.
Yeah, man.